So here we are going to start to read the integers, right? Now the concept of integers, previous two chapters we have seen the natural numbers, also we have seen the whole numbers. Okay, suppose this is one, I am just whatever I am drawing, this is some, suppose your natural number set. Okay, here we can put the every number, so the number is not going to finish anywhere, but we can put. And here
May I drink
suppose,
water?
yes, yes, here if I'm going to put 0 with that set, this set is becoming, this was n, now this entire set means the entire set becoming the set of whole number. Okay, if we are just going to just draw the numbers on the number line, this looks like 0, 1, 2, 3, something like, then this will be go on and go on. These are, we have already known these things. These are just plotting the whole numbers on the number line. Now we have seen one thing, that now number line has been just, we are using the arrow on the both sides. Now here also we are using arrow, where I have marked by highlighted each part. Now what about this part? What about this part? Here, if the number line is going to be extended, then there must be some number, right? So there we have put the integers, specifically the negative integers we have put. So there -1, -2, -3, like both, it will be also goes on, and these are negative integers. Specifically we are telling all those things are negative integers, right? Here beside, on the right hand side of 0, all these are positive integers, and here left side of the 0, these are negative integers. Now coming to the concept that why we are going to use the negative number, আমাদের তো শুধু 1 2 3 4 দিয়েই কাজ চলে যাচ্ছিল, আমরা তো আরামসে টাকা পয়সা গুনে ফেলতে পারছিলাম, সবই পারছিলাম, কিন্তু but here the question comes, why we should use the negative number? Why we should use? Suppose I'm telling that today is cold. Okay, today is very cold, and yesterday was much more cold. Much more. Now one
Ma'am,
concept
much more
is,
cold means?
yes, much more cold means what? কতটা বেশি ঠান্ডা, তুই একরকম ভাবে ঠান্ডাটা বুঝতে পারিস, আমার সেটা ঠান্ডা, আমি খুব সেন্সিটিভ। Okay, though I'm living in the Gangetic Plain, but I am very much sensitive to the cold. So here much more cold means how much more cold? Below 0, above 0, how many degrees? Because we all know that if we are just going to reach at the top of the Everest or somewhere like that in the Himalaya, there are always snow. Snow means snow is the freezing point of the snow is 0, and below 0 also the temperature is, so that is why the snows are there. Okay. So to justify this kind of concept, that behind 0 there is should be some temperature or something like that, negative integers, negative numbers, specifically negative integers has been introduced. My concept is has been clear. My concept has been, please Ankit, if you are just
Yes,
going to
ma'am.
attend my class, one thing, only just keep yourself mute unless and until it is not needed to tell me anything. Please, just I'm requesting. Okay, so here first to understand this thing, we will going to read it with uh, some opposite words, and already I told you the negative integers will be sitting on the left side. মানে তুই নাম্বার লাইনটা দেখ, বইটাকে খুলে অবশ্যই নিশ্চয়ই রেখেছিস তোরা। নাম্বার লাইনটাকে দেখ, লেফট তোর ঠিক বাঁদিকেই হচ্ছে নেগেটিভ ইন্টিজার্স গুলো পড়ছে, তাই তো? And
Ma'am, the points.
yes, and on the right hand side, zero ডান দিকে. I hope that you all can see on the right hand side, on the right side of the zero, the positive integers.
Ma'am, those are positive input.
Those all are positive integers. But remember one thing: zero is neither positive nor negative. Okay, zero is in the math is a huge concept. Means zero is just a very means what can I say? Very different characteristics you will see in the maths. Kind of in our society we are seeing many people, few, but here one two people is very different. Okay, so zero is that kind of person. Okay, so while we are plotting, this is the scenario. Now here from the book, I'm just zooming it. I hope now this is very much clear to all of you. Here one thing you can see that we are just plotting the number like this way and like this way. While I posted the number line, one concept on number line of whole numbers, here I posted my note, means on your school app. I told you that what? Always the left side numbers is slower and the right side number is bigger. Okay, so consider any two number. So minus 2, 10 is always less than 8. Okay, is it clear up to this? সেম জিনিসটাই যেভাবে
Yes,
আমরা
ma'am.
হোল নাম্বার ড্র করেছি, যারা হঠাৎ করে আজকে ক্লাস করতে এসেছিস হোপফুলি তোরা কিছু কিছু ডেফিনেটলি বুঝতে পারবি, বাট না বুঝতে পারলেও প্লিজ বলিস, এরকম ভাবিস না যে আমি ক্লাস করিনি বলে ম্যামকে জিজ্ঞেস করবো না, ম্যাম যদি আমাদের বকে। দিস ইজ নট কাইন্ড অফ থিংস। তোর সাথে আমার কোনো এনিমিটি নেই বা কিছুই নেই, আমি তোর টিচার, তো আমি সবসময় তোদের হেল্প করবো। ওকে, so please ask me, feel free to ask any kind of questions if you are not understanding. So from 0 to here, how we have just plotted the whole number. On the left side also we will plot the negative integers like the same way. And here mark one thing, that equal distance means 0 থেকে 1 এর মধ্যে যতটা ডিসটেন্স, যদি এখানে একটু এদিক ওদিক হয়ে গেছে প্রিন্টিং এর জন্য আই গেস, তো 0 থেকে -1 এর মধ্যেও কিন্তু সেম ডিসটেন্স হবে। মানে নাম্বার লাইনে যখন আমি ড্র করব, 0টা এখানে, 1টা এখানে, -1টাও ঠিক এখানেই থাকবে। এই যে এই ডিসটেন্স গুলো আছে যেগুলো ছোট ছোট, এই ডিসটেন্স গুলো সবসময় সমান হবে। নাম্বার লাইনের যে কোনো নাম্বারকে আমি প্লট করবো, এখানে কি বলতে চাইছে এই পয়েন্টটা একটু বোঝার চেষ্টা কর। যে কোনো নাম্বারকে আমি প্লট করবো, ধর আমি তোকে দিলাম -2 আর -7। ওকে, দুটো নাম্বার এরকম ভাবে আমি প্লট করলাম। যদি যে নাম্বারটা লেফটে থাকবে সেই নাম্বারটা সবসময় ছোট, মানে -7 ইজ অলওয়েজ -2। হ্যাঁ, আমি আবার বলছি, নাম্বার লাইনে আমি যে কোনো দুটো নাম্বারকে প্লট করব। যে কোনো মানে আমি দুটো এক্সাম্পল নিলাম, ধর -7 আর -2। এবার যেটা
Voice is
লেফটে থাক, ভয়েস ইজ লো না, যেটা লেফটে থাকবে, নাও ইট ইজ ক্লিয়ার আই থিংক সো। যেটা লেফটে
yes.
থাকবে, যেটা লেফটে থাকবে সেই নাম্বারটা সবসময় ছোট নাম্বার হবে। ঠিক আছে, এনি নাম্বার, দিস ইজ ভ্যালিড ফর এনি নাম্বার। নাম্বার লাইনে প্লট করে দেবো, দেখে নেবো কোন
Ma'am, I know.
নাম্বারটা কোন দিকে আছে। যদি সেটা তোর বাঁদিকে থাকে তার মানে বাঁদিকেরটাই ছোট নাম্বার, ডান দিকেরটা বড় নাম্বার। ঠিক আছে, আমি
Ma'am, then
এইটাকে
why we don't write the in ma'am, just in 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus.
1 plus, why we are not writing like that?
Ma'am, I am telling that we write the subtraction 10 means subtraction 9. Then why we are not write that plus? or addition 1, addition 2.
Yes, positive integers, this is the correct if we are just going to say like that positive integers, we should just use the positive sign. Okay, here why they haven't used, I don't know. We should use, because zero, we will only the zero doesn't have any kind of sign, but the others number do have the sign, so we will just write the things how it is. Okay, so going to the next part here. Oh, I'm sorry. Here one two results are there. Hmm, two results are there. Here you can see that 0 is less than every positive integers and 0 is greater than every negative integers. Please, please keep your sides mute. Please keep your sides mute.
I'm from Aryan Hussain.
Hmm?
I'm from Aryan Hussain.
Because always he is doing something like, and this thing you no need to remember right now. One rules I will tell you to keep it to remember. That thing only you will remember. Okay. So I'm clearing this drawing as well as. Okay, so there is using the number line, write 5 more than 2, means addition subtractions we need to do by using the number line. Now here one thing, one more concept is there, absolute value. Absolute value means what? Absolute value means this is also called the mod function. The function name is mod function. You can write it on your book by pencil. The function is look like this. Mod function. Function in short, fn we can write. Okay. So here any integers, whatever the integers is there, it will always gives the positive integers. Means if the positive integers is also there, it will definitely give positive integers. But if the negative integers are there in between this mod function, this will give also positive integers. Okay, just
I don't understand.
you can't understand. Suppose I'm writing -2 and giving mod function around. So the answer will come as +2. Now is it clear?
Okay,
That
ma'am.
means
Now I understand.
mod function is converting every integers irrespective to sign to a positive integers. Value টা change হবে না কিন্তু sign টা change
If
হবে.
there is
Okay, ma'am.
that 2 bracket and 2 bracket, we have to take only 1 2 and give us plus or addition.
Yes, suppose this is your number. Will also come as +201. Whatever the number is, a means here variable, means we will learn what is variable, what is constant, everything we will learn. So whatever the number is or whatever the scenario is, this will always comes as a positive integers.
Ma'am, if there is only 20, though?
That will also come positive. So only 20 means by default it is positive, so it will also give me 20 +20. This is okay. Is it clear? Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
we will
Yes,
go to
ma'am.
the we will go to the few sums so that our concept will be more clear, because maths করে দেখতে হয়, করলেই সব থেকে বেস্ট বোঝা যায়. Okay, so first there is some concept of what can I say, negative words or opposite words. In English আমরা খুব সুন্দর করে এগুলো পড়েছি ছোটবেলায়. Okay,
And the decrease of water, it will be increase of water.
like this
And
way
increase
we
of
will
population, decrease in
decrease of
population.
population. Like this way you just solve it. Solve exercise A in your copy.
Ending.
Yes,
Ma'am, it is CW.
yes, CW in your copy you please do. Okay, copy will write like that. Exercise 3. Who are old means who are doing my class, obviously they know how to write exercise 3A and page number along with page number, page 30. You just write it down.
And that spending money, that will be earning money.
Spending money, yes, earning money.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, that number D that coming
To
from,
not, no, going to
ma'am,
north.
that will be coming to west and
Wait, north, south. Okay, so northeast is this. We will change the direction. West, south, southwest. Okay,
southwest.
going
Coming to
southwest.
southwest.
No, both the things we will not change. Only one negative word will means opposite word we will use.
And
Okay.
then we can write coming,
No,
coming from
coming.
northeast.
Coming from northeast, you can write, but better going to north, west, southwest, not west, south.
Okay, ma'am.
And 400 BC, 400
400 AD.
AD. BC means before Christ, means যীশু খ্রিস্টের জন্মের আগের যে সময়গুলো সেটা যদি হিস্ট্রি
And
পড়িস তোরা
AD means another meaning.
and সেটা ইউজ করা হয়। তারপর এডি হচ্ছে যীশু খ্রিস্টের সময় থেকে হচ্ছে আই এম নট আ
Ma'am,
প্রো ইন
another
হিস্ট্রি,
meaning.
ইয়েস। তো সেটা আমাদের যে ইয়ার গুলো ক্যালকুলেট করা হয় এমন এখন যেমন 2021 মিন্স আফটার আফটার ডেথ সামথিং লাইক দ্যাট, আই ডোন্ট নো properly. Fall of temperature, rise of temperature. Okay, so
Rise
answer
of
I am
temperature.
telling, I am telling or I am writing on my screen. Please just
Ma'am, complete.
complete
Go
it.
up, go down.
So first will be increase in water.
Increase of water.
Increase of water.
Second will be decrease of population.
Decrease of population.
I'm not writing the entire word. Spending money means earning money.
Earning money.
Earning money.
Very funny. This concept is.
Yeah.
Going to
Coming.
Going to
coming
southwest.
Coming to southwest.
Going
both
to
the thing,
southwest.
both the negative word we will not use. Just keep this rule, remember. একটা negative word একটা time ইউজ করবো, not দুটো। Okay, so E is 400 AD,
400 AD.
F is
And
rise of temperature,
rise of temperature.
Rise of temperature.
And then go down.
then
Go down.
Go down. Very funny.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, very funny.
This
Okay.
chapter is also funny.
This
Yeah.
is very good chapter, but this is the concept. Okay, you need to clear it down. Okay, so coming to the next two sum, use positive or negative sign. Okay, here you just copy it down. I will zoom the screen and I will just show the rest of the sums.
Ma'am, complete.
Ma'am, not complete.
Complete it. I will post everything in the study material part. Okay.
Ma'am, complete. Very easy.
And
That.
complete.
Okay. So an increase of 18, increase means positive.
Ma'am, that one you will be. Ma'am, that one we will be 400 AD.
Yes, 480. And rise of temperature, go down. One thing I'm just saying that আমরা সবসময় ভাবি পজিটিভ মানেই খুব ভালো, নেগেটিভ মানেই খুব খারাপ। কিছু জিনিস পজিটিভ মানে খুবই খারাপ, যেমন কোভিড পজিটিভ ভীষণ খারাপ। আমরা সবসময় চাই যদি টেস্ট হয় কখনো দেখবি যে সবসময়
We want negative.
yes we want negative.
Yeah.
Loss of 2000 rupees 2500, that means minus, yes, 200
Minus.
meter
Negative.
above the sea level means plus 200
Positive.
Plus
earning
200.
and cost
And G will be
Positive.
150. Plus
decrease of this means minus
Negative.
Minus.
642.
Negative.
7.
Ma'am, we can tell
Plus.
also positive, negative.
Okay.
70.
Keep your mouth shout, means sorry, keep your mouth shut, not shout. Gaining means Positive.
Ma'am, plus.
Positive.
Negative.
Negative. And then positive.
Ma'am,
Negative.
please
Negative.
say
Ma'am,
loudly.
negative.
Going 20 kilometers to
Ma'am,
walk.
Positive.
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 Ma'am, please say
Ma'am,
loudly.
Negative.
Negative.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
why
Ma'am, not
you are
positive.
Ma'am,
Negative.
negative.
Ma'am, positive. Ma'am, that
Oh.
one is positive.
দেখ এখানে কি কনসেপ্ট হচ্ছে একটু চুপ কর তোরা। উইথড্র করছি মানে টাকা আমার ব্যাংক অ্যাকাউন্ট থেকে কমে যাচ্ছে। সব সময় দেখবি ধর আমার ব্যাংক অ্যাকাউন্টে 10,000 টাকা আছে, সাপোজ আমি বলছি, আমি জাস্ট এক্সাম্পল দিচ্ছি, ঠিক আছে? আমি যত 200 টাকা তুললাম, তার মানে কি উইথড্র করলাম টাকাটা, তার মানে আমাকে যখন ব্যাংক থেকে মেসেজ দেয় তখন কিন্তু দেয় যে আমার কাছে আর 9,800 টাকা আছে। কেন দেয়? এটাকে মাইনাস করে দেয়। এবার ধর আবার একটা মোমেন্টে 10,000 টাকা আমার আছে, কিন্তু আমি ডিপোজিট করলাম 300 টাকা, ঠিক আছে? তখন কিন্তু আমাকে মেসেজ দেয় আমার কাছে আছে 10,300। ইজ দিস পয়েন্ট ক্লিয়ার? তাই জন্য উইথড্র কে আমরা নেগেটিভ নেব, কিন্তু ডিপোজিট কে আমরা পজিটিভ করব। ইজ দিস কনসেপ্ট ইজ ক্লিয়ার? So that is why
Yes,
plus
ma'am.
plus rupees 300 and loss
Yes, ma'am, it
means
is
minus.
plus.
Yes, minus rupees 600. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
The next thing is also the same thing.
Same thing.
So this will be your
Positive,
Minus.
yes, this will be your
Negative.
homework. Now, which is larger and smaller? These sums I will do. Which is larger and which is smaller?
Now we have to do by number line.
If you don't want to do it on the number line, then also it's okay, fine. Every time it is not possible to plot number line. You can plot it on the number line. You can just also do that thing. Which is larger? -3. I'm just marking the larger. Okay, but I'm just highlighting it. Okay, I'm just going to highlight it. -5, 10,
Minus
14, 0, 1.
1. Minus
Minus
472.
472, -77, and 476.
476.
Just complete up.
Yeah.
I'm just saved it. I will just post this picture also. Okay, in the starting.
Ma'am, only HW number 3 or 4? Or
Number 3. Number 3 and 5.
Okay,
Number
ma'am.
3 and 5. Number 3 and 5.
Ma'am, please send it. Ma'am, please send the study. Ma'am, assignment.
Assignment. I need to ask one thing.
Ma'am, 3 or 5 number?
Yes, 3 and 5 is your. Like the way we have find out the larger one, on the same way, which is the smaller one, you can just easily find
Ma'am,
it.
you will give the link. We'll do and send in assignment section.
Yes, ma'am. We will
Yes.
send it in the assignment section.
Okay, no problem. I will give.
Ma'am, we can send in assignment section.
You can. This is not the exam that you have to. That list is there. Okay, so I was trying to solve the entire chapter by today because only 4 classes are there and it's very hard for us to complete the entire syllabus, and see my neighbors are just quarreling. Okay, from 11 they have started to quarrel. Okay, just so I'm just clearing my screen. Okay, more 5 minutes I will take the class and then I will take that.
Okay, ma'am.
Mark on the
Okay,
number
ma'am.
line. You can do right now. Okay, only 2 things you will do. Or you can do one thing, or draw a big number line and draw every integers over there. Draw the number lines, and 6, 7 you try to solve it right now. I will take the attendance afterwards. To do sums I will show.
Ma'am, I can't understand number 6.
Number 6 can't understand. Number 6 one sum I'm showing. Just wait for a while. Suppose number 10 I want to draw on the number line. First I will draw one simple line like this on your copy. Okay. After that, you number line is never ending on the both sides. We will mark it. Okay. So minus 10. So mostly negative integers we will need. So from 0 we will start drawing. 0, minus 1, 2, 3, minus 4. Minus 10. So where 10 is coming, there you will do one thing. There you can you can just put one dot over here, and you can encircle or highlight this thing like me. Okay, since 10
Ma'am,
Ma'am, that part, ma'am, I can't understand, ma'am, clearly.
which part? Which part here?
Ma'am, I can't understand that, ma'am. You written minus 10, then against minus 9, 8, 7, 6. Ma'am, then you write 5.
That
Ma'am,
is
you
negative
again
sign.
write that 4.
I'm not understanding what you are saying. Number line আসতে
ma'am,
বললো।
if we write here up to
সমস্ত কিছু নাম্বার গুলোই লিখবো। ধর আমাকে -15 দেখাতে বলেছে নাম্বার লাইন, তো আমি কি তাহলে -15 তো একটা লিখে একটা লাইন এঁকে লিখে দিলেই তো হয়ে গেল। কিন্তু টিচারের কাছে তো এটা ক্লিয়ার হলো না যে তুই জিনিসটা কনসেপ্টটা বুঝেছিস না বুঝিসনি। আই থিংক আই এম
ম্যাম
গেটিং
ম্যাম ম্যাম আমি তাহলে বলছি, ম্যাম আপনি তাহলে ম্যাম -5 এর পরে ম্যাম আপনি 4 দিয়ে কেন শুরু করলেন? ম্যাম আপনি তো অন্য নাম্বার দিয়ে শুরু করতে পারতেন।
ইন্টিজার্স গুলো আই থিংক কনসেপ্টটা তো ক্লিয়ার হয়নি। জিরোর লেফটে যায় এইভাবে -1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, যেরকম ভাবে আমরা ছোটবেলায় পড়েছি নাম্বার লাইনে এঁকেছি, যে নট ছোটবেলায় এই ক্লাসেই পড়েছি যে লেফট থেকে রাইটে যাচ্ছে নাম্বার লাইনটা। ঠিক আছে, 1 2 3 4 করে ঠিক সেম।
And then we have to write also right side also that
not
plus.
যখন আমরা নাম্বার লাইন ড্র করছি নেগেটিভ ইন্টিজার্স একজন একজন করে বলো, ও কনফিউজড হয়ে যাবে। তখন হচ্ছে -1 -2 -3 -4 এইভাবেই যাব। ঠিক যেভাবে আমরা 1 2 3 4 শিখেছি সেটাই আঁকবো অ্যাজ ইফ যেন ওটা লেফট সাইডে আঁকছি, সেই জন্য আমরা ডান দিক থেকে বাঁ দিকে আঁকবো। বুঝতে পারলি শাহবাজ? নাও দিস কনসেপ্ট ইজ ক্লিয়ার?
Yes ma'am.
Ma'am, after 0 you have to write that side also you have to write the plus
You
1 plus.
can write. No,
ma'am, that's what I'm asking also, that if we write here up to -10, then that side we have to also write up to 10.
Yeah.
no needed, not needed.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
can write few numbers, 1 2 you can write, that few positive integers are there you can show, and you can just solve it like.
Okay ma'am, okay ma'am.
So one more sums you solve, B and C, B, C, D you solve on the number lines. Meanwhile I will give you that.
What are you doing? Attendance.
Means I don't know that your website is just down or what, but আমি কোনো অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স জায়গায় খুঁজে পাচ্ছি না, মানে আমাকে দেখাচ্ছেই না কেন জানি। এরকম তো হয় না। ওকে, stopping my screen share. I hope that this is clear. I'll stop the